The belt clip allows you to secure your cordless tool to a tool belt or work bag. The metal clip is attached to the tool's base, near the battery. Over time, the clip can fatigue and break off. Replacing the belt clip assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The belt clip is a simple part to replace on your tool. It's held in place with a single screw. To begin, I'll remove the screw. And now I can install the new belt clip. And that's how simple it is to replace the belt clip assembly on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.